All right. Can you hear me? I want to make sure that everybody can hear me.
Yes, we can hear you.
Good, good. Now let us finish up. Um, in the previous lecture, before we were timed out, we answered the first two questions. Remember, what we are doing is regression and correlation. So we answered the first two questions, which are the first one is construct a scatter plot, and we did using Excel. Second one is use the sample data to obtain the least square estimate for the regression equation. So that means basically to get the regression equation. So we use this Excel. We get it from Excel. Getting this number from Excel. Now, the third question is construct the correlation coefficient. Sorry, calculate the correlation coefficient. Now, since we have already done it in Excel, we can just go there and pull it out. The correlation, the I'll put the solution. So we have our R equals. Now I'm gonna go. If you look at the our scatter plot, you can see that it is shows a positive linear relationship between our live weight and rest weight. So our R will be positive. If it showed a negative relationship, that means it's trending down this way, and then our R will be negative. Yeah. So our R will be a positive. So let me show you where it is located, and then we'll in Excel that we use to get our answers. See our R here, multiple R is 0.9525. 95252, which I can change to 2 decimal or 3 decimal places, 0.953. If the question said change it to 2 decimal places, you can just click on the decrease decimal here and it will go. See? And if you want to increase it, go this way. So 0.953 or 0.95. Let me take 0.95, 0.95. So we just go and type it in. R is 0.95. Okay. Now R, this is small r. Make it big. Right. Then what does it mean? Is to indicate a strong positive linear relationship between the dress weight and the life weight. Which means that as the life weight increase, the bigger the life weight, the bigger the dress weight. If you recall, I showed you the range of values for R. Let me refer you back to that again. You can see it right here. See our own, see very high. You can see that it fall in this group like here, very high, because you have our answer is 0.95, which is very high. So the higher the life weight, the higher the thrust weight. So where am I? I think I passed it. So interpretation of this. The R equals 0.95 is a high value. Made this bold and this bold. Indicates a strong. You know what? I'm gonna make it like this. A strong positive linear relationship. A strong positive linear relationship between the dress weight, which is our Y, and the life weight. x, which means that as the life weight increases, the dress weight also increases, and vice versa. Question on this? Any question? Excellent. Now, next is a compute r squared. I think I am r squared. Actually, it is so Excel is already give you r squared. Solution. One solution. Our r squared, which is r squared equals, when you go to the Excel, you see that it is right here. Say r squared, you can see right there. I say 0.9073, which if you reduce it to 3 decimal place, 3 decimal place, 0.91, see, 0.91. Okay. So r squared is 0.91. Zero point 91. Okay, and that is r squared. Small r squared. Okay. What does this mean? Okay, that is our interpretation. Okay. R square of r square of 91. The r square of 91 means that, I'm gonna move this back a little bit. Means that 91% of the change in the dress weight is caused by the change in the life weight. Another way you can put this is that the change in life weight explain 91% of all the change in the dress weight. So you can also see that 91% of the increase in the dress weight is explained by the increase in the life weight. So there are many ways you can put this, as long as you get the core meaning in. Any question on this? Okay, good. No question. Excellent. This one says, what is the predicted dress weight when the life weight is 700 pounds? Solution. Now, if you look at the original data that we use for this work, see that all these are in hundreds. So this means 4.2 means 420. 3.8 means 380 pounds. 2.5 means 250 pounds. So now this question is asking you to predict the dress weight when the life weight is 700 pounds. In other words, it says to find y when x equals 7, where 7 represents 700 pounds. See? So to do that, you're going to use the regression equation, which is this one here. Okay. The regression equation. That's what you're going to use to find it. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's right here. I'm going to make it. So all you got to do now is to plug in your value for x, which means that I say predict the dress weight. The dress weight y equals 0.086 plus 0.616. For the x, you put 7. Okay, let me write this down so I can put them in a calculator. So I have y equals 0.086 plus 0.6167. Okay, so let's put this in a calculator. I hope I have my Desmos calculator. I think I closed it by mistake. Where is it? Okay, I think maybe I'll open another website so we can use this. Oh, we can use this. Yeah, we can use this. Desmos. Okay. You can see my calculator, right? Can you? Can you see the calculator? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, we have.
Yes.
Okay, good. So 0.086 plus 0.616 times 7, 4.398. 4.4, 4.398. Okay, we can now go to our work. Okay, we have 4.398, which is, when you round it, 4.4. So what does this mean? It means that when the live weight is 700, the dress weight is 440 pounds. Interpretation. So when the live weight is 700 pounds, the dress weight will be 440 pounds. The dress weight to be the dress weight is 440 pounds. That's what it means. See? Yeah, I'm able to save this. Okay, let me save it in Microsoft Word doc format. Okay, small 1, 2. Okay, technology can act weird sometimes. You save it. Okay, try it again. Perhaps I'll save it on my desktop. Let me save it on desktop to save it this time. Okay, it's not saving it for some reason, but we'll find out the problem later on. So you can see the result here. Now the last question before we finish is, it says, is there a relationship between the live weight and the dress weight? Use alpha 0.01. Okay. First thing is to do is to test state the hypothesis, HO and H1. HO, this is how we state the hypothesis for regression. X and Y, the live weight. First of all, put row. I forgot where it is located. It's gonna be up. The symbol I represent here is, I think it's right here. Yeah, this is row. Yeah. I'll take it down. That represents the population correlation coefficient. So rho equals to 0. Okay. rho equals 0. That means the life weight and trace weight are not linearly related. What it means. So I'm gonna make it export and perhaps 16. And the alternative is that the life weight and the dress weight are linearly related. So this is going to be not equals to, so why is doing this? Okay. Linearly related. So I'm going to put the symbol for not equal to there. See? The life weight and dress weight are linearly related. That's the how you state hypothesis. Now, alpha, what we have for our used to compare it is the critical value. Now, for simple linear regression, because we have two variables, usually it's two tail tests because it's two variables. So anyway, now let us go and get from the Excel with our critical value here equals, and get it from Excel, the calculated R equals. So let's go and get this from the calculated R. We have it here already. 0.95. See, 0.95. Okay, the critical value. Let's get the critical value. We go to Excel. You have it on our results. So you can see the critical value you have using for the life weight. Sorry, for the R. Let's use a p-value. P-value is better. See the life weight, the p-value. You can see it here. Let me let's use p-value to be better. Or if you like, you can use the statistics, the critical value for regression coefficient. We use the t-statistics. Okay.
So you got a E in there.
Yeah, I will explain why. It will better. This E, you can see that it means exponential. It means exponential. That's what it means. And you see negative 0.05. It means that there's 5 zeros before the numbers. That's what it means. See, this E means exponent. This thing make it 5 zeros. So let us use the p-value. That it is much better than this one. So 5 zeros for that E. So use p-value instead. That's better. P-value 0.0000. Let's say 5 zeros. You can see the 5 zeros here. Before you can write the 7.3. See, that's what it is here. Show that this part is an exponent. 7.3. 7.3. 7.3. And the R is this. So we're going to use alpha, not R. If we're using the p-value, we're using alpha. Alpha is 0.01. See? Now, if the p-value is less than the alpha, what do we do? Remember from last night? Okay, let me refresh your memory.
Reject it.
You reject it, certainly. See, so you can see right here. For those of you who still want to No. And see right here, we're using the p-value method. For the p-value method, the criteria for rejection is as follows. Where is yep. If the p-value is less than or equal to alpha, reject. The null hypothesis. If the p-value is greater than alpha, don't reject. So for our own case, our p-value is much less than alpha. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah.
You can see right there. Yeah. So we reject null hypothesis. I'm going to get in there. So our p-value here is less than the alpha. This alpha. I'm gonna replace with this alpha here. See? It's an alpha value. Make it bold. So reject HO decision. I don't know why this is doing like this. Decision. Okay. Reject null hypothesis, which is HO, because the p-value, or I can put it this way, because 0.000073 is less than alpha. See? That's our decision. So it means we are rejecting null hypothesis. That means the correct one is be this one here. Okay? So we are rejecting this one. So that means this one is the correct one. Conclusion. Okay? The life weight here is sufficient evidence to support the claim that the life weight and the rest weight are linearly related. Okay. Any question?
Yeah, can you be there with me when we take our test?
Say it again.
I said, can you be there with us when we take our test?
No, ma'am.
We
Sorry
need
about that.
step-by-step directions.
Huh?
I said we need step-by-step directions when it's time to take that test.
For the final test?
Yeah, we need step-by-step.
Yes.
Well, you have it already here and in the class.
Walk us through each answer.
I wish. Unfortunately, I can't. Anyway, the final exam, man, there's no need to panic. It's still the same thing we have been doing in the class. And when I put it, I will show you. I'll post a message on how to access it. I've already explained that in the class, but I'm going to show you again, and I'll put it on the message as well. Hold on, let me get this here. Let me show you again. You log into your the classroom. What is the classroom? Yeah, you log into the classroom. I think. Oh,
I think.
I gotta open. I have to open the website for your class. PCC. Okay. You all know how to log into the classroom. So you just log in into Canvas, and then you can now access your class. Then go to the assignment page. Okay. Now, this is your class here. Once you are in, you go to the assignment, not in Alex, but assignment. Scroll down, you see it right here. Now you can't see it now because I have not made it available for you.
Right, but that's where it is. Right
Yeah,
there.
but
How
tomorrow.
many questions is it? How many questions is that test?
Hold on 1 minute. Say I'm gonna show you how many it's gonna be. Okay. It will be 20 questions. 20.
Mm.
Not bad,
Maybe
huh?
an hour, 10 minutes long.
20 questions for an hour and 50 minutes. That's not enough time.
Because some of them will not be, some of the question will not require math. Some of them will be typing answer. So I would recommend you read all the notes we've been doing in the class. Some of those questions are not math, and even those
Is
that are math.
anything multiple choice?
No, I don't think so.
No, you have to type in your answer. Yeah.
Oh Lord.
So once you goes here, answer, then from your end, from my own end here, if I click on it, here it will be showing me preview, but for you it will be showing you start the quiz. That's what it should. Click on it, start the quiz, then start timing
That time limit say an hour, 10 minutes.
No, it's more than 1 hour. It's more than it's about 1 hour, 15 minutes, almost 2 hours. I mean nice. All through, right?
You have been nice. Hopefully
Yeah,
Thank you.
right.
Thank you.
When it's time to give those grades.
Okay, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Are you still reopening test 1 or no?
Well, I'm gonna open it tomorrow. So when I make the final exam available, I'll open it tomorrow. As I see that many of you are requesting for it, so I'll open it tomorrow. No problem. But
Okay,
it will be, if I open it tomorrow, it will be due on Sunday. No more. And that everything is due on Sunday
So
anyway.
I was gonna say everything is due on Sunday.
On Sunday, yes. Anyway.
right.
Okay.
And I've redone a bunch of work, so
They'll be graded. If you did it, they'll be graded. This
Yeah,
week,
because I was going to ask you, was you going to regrade one of my class
anything that is done that is submitted will be graded.
Okay.
okay.
Yep. All right.
And classes
Bye.
in person tomorrow?
Huh?
Classes in person or virtual tomorrow?
You don't have
Wait,
class
be by
tomorrow.
yourself.
Why are you trying to bring us to?
Tomorrow, Thursday.
Why are you trying to bring us to school on a Thursday? I got a life, okay?
I'm sorry, I
Oh,
forgot
she'd be
today
by
was
herself.
Monday. I forgot we was out Monday.
All right. Okay then. Good luck.
All right.
Well, when I see you guys in the maybe in the school or
So much.
at your job, I say hello, okay?
All right.
Make sure you
Thank you
pass
so
all
much,
of us.
Professor. I really did it. I liked your class.
Thank you. Appreciate.
We all deserve 100.
It would be
Who
nice.
is that now?
I'm not sure. I don't need no 100. Just
Who
give
is
me a
that now?
75, 80.
Me, Jasmine. We need
Jasmine.
100%.
Jasmine, you started missing me in the class. You're gonna miss me this time, right?
Yeah.
Professor, now you know I cannot go without
Nicole,
out.
Nicole,
You know
not
it.
now. Not now, Nicole, okay?
Yes, because Professor, I just need to know one thing. Why you ain't grade a lot of them papers, Professor?
I'm gonna grade it. I just said it. They will be graded.
Because Professor, I can't right now. It ain't looking too good, and I'm over here biting my fingernails.
Well, what can I say? Stop biting your fingernails, okay?
All right. I'm gonna miss you, Professor. Though I ain't gonna be able to get on your nerves.
I'm gonna miss all of you.
It was really nice taking
Yes,
this
it
class
was. It
with
really
you.
was nice.
It's a pleasure. My pleasure.
Thank you
And
so
I
much.
wish
see
I
you.
wish you all good luck, eh?
I
All
see
right,
you on the
thank
other
you.
side.
Sure. And don't forget, when you do the work, use the table I gave you, use the procedure table, use the formulas, you'll be fine.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
you keep saying we gonna be
Okay.
fine, Professor, but these grades ain't looking fine.
There is no answer to that one, Nicole. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Professor.
All right. I see you guys when I see you. Huh?
All right.
Okay. Good night.
Yeah.
Good
Good
night.
night.
Good night. Thank you.
Good night. Good night there.